App crashes often occur due to software inconsistencies, such as a buggy system component or an outdated app. Let's dive into the solutions to fix Messages app crashes on your Galaxy A15. First, close and reopen the Messages app. This simple step can refresh the app's state and clear temporary data that might be causing the issue. To do this, tap the Recent Apps key. Then, swipe left or right to find the Messages app. Once you find it, swipe up on the app to close it. Finally, tap the Messages app icon from your home screen or app drawer to reopen it. If the Messages app still crashes, the next step is to restart your phone. Restarting your device can resolve many issues by resetting the software environment. To reboot your Galaxy A15, press and hold the volume down and power buttons for a few seconds. When the options appear, tap Restart and then Confirm. Wait for the phone to finish rebooting and then open the Messages app again. If the problem persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. This action resets the app to its default state, which can often fix issues like constant crashing. To do this, tap and hold the Messages app icon. When the menu appears, tap the App Info icon. Next, select Storage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data and confirm by tapping Delete. Most issues should be resolved by one of these solutions. However, you can also check for software updates to ensure your phone's firmware is up to date and reset all settings to their defaults if needed. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving the Messages app crashes on your Samsung Galaxy A15. Thanks for watching.